Good morning, friends. Happy Wednesday. Hopefully you all had a nice day off yesterday, and some of you that haven't been able to get all of the assignments done maybe had a chance to catch up a little bit since we didn't have school yesterday. Today we're going to review the E sound, the long E sound made with the double E, and then we're going to learn some new tricky words. So let's go ahead and review some of the things that we did. I'm just going to show you the difference in the short E sound and the long E sound by writing some words up here that have that double E in there. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So this word is, read it with me, step, step. If we have the double E, it changes step to the word steep. Remember we talked about if you have a mountain that you have to climb up and the angle is up like this, then the mountain is called a steep mountain. So step, steep. Say those with me. Step, steep. Okay, let's look at this word. What's that word? Can you read that? Let's sound it out. Ten. Like my son is 10 years old. Okay? And if we have the double E in the middle, the double E says E, so this word is teen. Teen. He used to be 10, now he is a teen. Okay? Alright, let's read this word. Met. And if we have double E, then the word becomes meet. Meet. I met my friend at the restaurant, or it's nice to meet you. You see that? Okay, let's look at this word. Let's sound it out. Fed, and then fed, if we have the double E in the middle, becomes feed. Feed. I need to feed my family. Fed, feed. Okay? Alright, let's do another one. Let's erase these. We'll do 4 more. See how that double E makes a difference. It changes it to a whole new word. Bet. Bet. That's the word bet. But if it has 2 E's in the middle, it's not the word bet anymore. Then it's the word beet. Like the vegetable beet. Do you like to eat beets? Bet, beet. All right, now let's do this one. Let's sound this word out together. B-o, or bled, bled, bled. And if it has a double E, the word then becomes bleed, bleed, bled, bleed. Right? Let's sound this word out. BR says burr, burr, ed, bread. Now this isn't the kind of bread that we eat. That's spelled differently. This is the kind of bread like the horse was bred or was made to have another baby, okay, or made to have a baby, or when you have puppies, a dog that has puppies or a cat that has kittens, that dog was bred with another dog so that they would have babies. Okay, that's the word bred. And then this is the word breed. Breed. Are you going to breed your dogs? Are you going to breed your horse? That means make it so that they have another horse, a baby horse, a colt or a filly. Okay? All right, then let's do one more. Let's sound it out. Sp-ed, sped. And then we have the word speed, speed. He sped in his car. And the officer stopped him and said, "You cannot speed." Sped, speed. Okay, let's read the words that we have. We didn't do that with the last four, but let's do that with these. Okay, we have bet, beat, bled, bleed, bread, breed, sped, speed. Okay, so that double E says E. You got it? Okay, now I'm going to show you some of our new tricky words. They look like they should have the short vowel E, but this is another instance when the English language doesn't do what we expect it to do, because all of these words actually have a long E in them, even though it's just one E. Okay, so this is the word he. If you're just going to pronounce it the way that we've learned that the E says eh, then it would say he. But that's not the word he, it's the word he. He. The E in this word makes the long E sound. So that word is he. What's the word? He. All right. The next one that we have is this word. If this one is he, then this one must be sh-e, she. So we have the words he and she. Many of you may know these words already. And then we have the word we. He, she, we. So that vowel sound is the long vowel sound where the E says its name, or where the E says E, right? Because that's the name of the letter. In this instance, the E says its name, we. Okay, here's another one. What word is that? That's the word me. Me, me. He, she, we, me. And then the last one that we're going to do today is this word, be. B-E, because this E makes the long E sound. It's not be, it's not he, she, we, me, and be. It's he, she, we, me, and be. Okay, so those are our 5 new tricky words. Do you see why I put them all together in one lesson? Why do you think I did that? Because they all have that same ending sound for the letter E. So we're just going to read through some of them. All right, and then it might be in the same order as these. They might not. Okay, so read with me. She, he, be, we, me, we, read with me, me, be, she, he, be, he, she, we, me, we, me, she, he, be. Okay, you got them? All right. Now what I'm going to do is show you what you're going to do on Nearpod. Today there are 4 pages. 2 of them review the double E that you learned. And 2 of them work with our new tricky words. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll read the sentence. All of these sounds are sounds that we've learned, so these words you should be able to read. If you are still having trouble reading them, then you need to continue practicing. Okay? All right, so you're going to read the question, and then you're going to answer yes or no. Okay? It's a simple question. All of these sentences have that double E in there. So the E says E. So let's read number 1. It says, can a tree sing a song? Can a tree sing a song? So you have to think about the answer and either write yes or no on the blank. Okay? Do you need me to read the questions to you? Why don't I read them to you now, because I did not read them on Nearpod. Okay, so why don't I read them to you now? Pay attention. And then if you need a grown-up to help you, you can get a grown-up. Okay? The second question, number 2, says, is there a kid in this class with 6 feet? Yes or no? You'll write the answer on the blank. Number 3, are plants from seeds? Number 4, are the things in a shop free? Number 5, is there a kid in this class with 3 hands? And number 6, can a bee buzz? See that double Z in there? That just says Z 1 time. Can a bee buzz? Okay, and then you'll go on to the next page. I'll answer all those questions, yes or no. And then the next page, right here, says, is a sheep a bug? Number 8, are plums sweet? Number 9, is grass green? Number 10, can we munch on rocks? Number 11, can plants see? And number 12, can a cat sleep? Okay, so you'll answer those questions yes or no. Then the next pages work with the words that we just learned. Let's review them one more time. He, she, we, me, be. So there's your words up here in your word bank, all right? And then you will fill in the blanks. So this one says, Seth has a hat that blank got from his dad. Number 2, blank are the best pals. And number 3, I need to sweep the deck. Will you help blank? Okay, so the words are me, he, and we. Then you've got 4, 5, and 6, and the words here are she, there's be, and this word is which. Do you remember that one? Which. So number 4 says, if I get in the pond, I will blank wet. Number 5, blank cup is his. And number 6, Mom has a dress that blank got from a shop. Okay, so you'll do your Nearpod activity, and then you'll click submit so Miss Hales will get your work. So we'll see you here tomorrow. Have a great afternoon. Take care, friends.